Alright, let's be real. If your kitchen feels cluttered, slow, or just harder to use than it should be, it's not you, it's your setup. Today, we're upgrading that space with 20 genius Amazon kitchen finds designed to save time, free up space, and make everyday cooking feel smoother and more efficient. And if you spot something you like, all the links are waiting in the description below. Let's get started. Let's start with something that instantly creates breathing room. This expandable microwave stand lifts appliances off the counter while adding adjustable shelving for tools, jars, or cookware underneath. It's one of those upgrades that makes your kitchen feel bigger without remodeling. The sturdy frame keeps everything stable while maximizing vertical space you weren't using before. Expect this to run around $25 to $40 depending on size and finish. Right alongside that, this two-tier dish drying rack brings structure back to post-meal cleanup. Instead of dishes spreading across the counter, everything stacks neatly while the extendable drain spout directs water straight into the sink. You know, no puddles, no constant wiping. It holds plates, bowls, and utensils without feeling bulky. Most versions land in the $30 to $50 range. Now, if your spice cabinet feels like a guessing game, this pull-out spice rack fixes that instantly. The sliding design brings every bottle into view, so nothing gets lost in the back anymore. Cooking just feels smoother when everything is visible at a glance. It uses narrow cabinet space efficiently while keeping seasonings organized. Typically priced between $30 and $45 for the 2-pack. Taking organization inside the drawers, this 9-in-1 storage bag organizer finally tames foil, wraps, and plastic bags. Built-in cutters and labeled sections keep everything aligned instead of tangled together. It's oddly satisfying opening a drawer and seeing clean order. Meal prep becomes quicker when tools stay exactly where you expect them. You'll usually see this around $25 to $35. Down by the sink, this compact caddy keeps soaps, brushes, and sponges contained instead of scattered around the edge. Ventilated sections allow airflow so items dry faster and stay cleaner. Small detail, big visual impact. It makes this whole sink zone feel intentional instead of constantly messy. Most options cost about $10 to $15. And speaking of cleaning, these scratch-free scrub sponges handle tough jobs without damaging cookware. The polymer foam resists stains and odors, so they last longer than typical options. You know, fewer replacements, less waste. They stay soft, flexible, and effective across dishes and glassware. A pack usually runs around $12 to $18. For quick convenience, this automatic electric can opener removes lids with just a press. No twisting, no sharp edges, just a smooth, hands-free cut every time. It's especially helpful when multitasking during meal prep. A small gadget that quietly saves effort again and again. Expect pricing somewhere between $20 and $35. And when prep work starts piling up, the Slicer Plus adjustable vegetable chopper really earns its place. Interchangeable blades handle slicing, dicing, and even fry cuts with speed and consistency that's tough to match by hand. No more uneven chopping or long prep sessions. Its container keeps ingredients contained, reducing mess while you work. Most sets are priced around $30 to $45, making this a serious time saver for frequent cooking. Right after that, the garlic press set with large bowl design simplifies one of the most repetitive kitchen tasks. Instead of mincing manually, this presses cloves quickly while the wider chamber holds more at once. Less smell on your hands is always a win. The easy clean construction rinses fast, so it's ready again in seconds. You'll usually find this tool in the $15 to $25 range. For baking or dough prep, the dough pastry bench cutter scraper adds surprising versatility. This stainless steel edge slices dough cleanly, portions ingredients, and even helps transfer chopped items straight into pans. You know, it's one of those tools you end up using far more than expected. The engraved measurement guide adds precision without extra gadgets. Expect pricing around $10 to $20. And just a quick heads up, everything you're seeing in this video is linked for you in the description below. Feel free to explore them after the video. After that, if you enjoy homemade dumplings or vegetables with texture, the bamboo steamer basket brings classic cooking into a modern kitchen. Stacked tiers allow multiple foods to steam simultaneously while maintaining flavor and moisture naturally. It's a healthier method that doesn't require complicated equipment. Lightweight yet durable, it fits easily over most pots. Most sets land between $20 and $35. Now stepping into smart appliances, this smart pressure cooker with Wi-Fi and and built-in scale transforms how meals get planned and cooked. Guided recipes, automatic measurements, and multi-function modes handle everything from rice to slow cooking. It's like having an assistant right on your counter. This reduces guesswork while saving serious time on busy days. These typically range from $150 to $250 depending on features. For crisp results with precision, this AI smart air fryer with wireless thermometer takes the guesswork completely out of doneness. It tracks internal temperature in real time and automatically adjusts cooking so meals come out evenly finished every time. No hovering, flipping, or constantly checking the basket anymore. Multiple preset modes handle roasting, reheating, baking, and air frying in one compact, countertop-friendly unit. It's designed to simplify cooking while still delivering that perfect texture and flavor. Expect pricing around $150 to $200. Alongside that, this 6QT Vortex Plus air fryer delivers reliable everyday performance with a range of versatile cooking presets. It prepares everything from quick snacks to full meals while using far less oil than traditional frying methods. It's the kind of appliance you'll find yourself reaching for again and again during busy days. The spacious basket handles larger portions easily, and the simple controls keep cooking straightforward and stress-free. Most models are priced between $100 and $150. For serious home cooks, this Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer delivers that classic, reliable mixing power kitchens are known for. From kneading dough to whipping batters, it handles heavier tasks smoothly while freeing your hands for other prep work. Baking and meal prep start to feel more efficient and far less tiring. Its durable construction and multiple attachments expand functionality well beyond simple mixing. These typically range from $300 to $450. To elevate everyday drinks, this rechargeable milk frother with stepless speed control creates smooth, cafe-style foam in just seconds. Adjustable speeds let you texture milk exactly how you like it for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or even cold foam. It's a small upgrade that adds a surprisingly premium feel to your daily routine. The compact design stores easily without taking over drawer space, and it's quick to clean after use. Most versions are priced between $20 and $35. For maintenance rather than cooking, this bathroom sink drain strainer with stainless steel filter quietly prevents clogs before they become a problem. It captures hair and debris efficiently while still allowing smooth, consistent drainage. One of those simple fixes you appreciate more over time. Installation takes just seconds with no tools required, making it an easy upgrade for any sink. These are usually available for about $10 to $15. For homemade desserts without the hassle, the ice cream maker machine with built-in compressor brings true convenience to your kitchen. Unlike traditional models, it doesn't require pre-freezing a bowl, so you can start churning whenever cravings hit. That instant readiness makes it perfect for spontaneous treats or weekend gatherings. The built-in compressor maintains a consistent temperature for smooth, creamy texture every time, while simple controls keep the process effortless. Most compressor models are priced between $150 and $300. For entertaining, the 5-in-1 electric wine decanter and dispenser adds both function and presentation to your setup. It aerates while pouring, helping flavors open up instantly without the weight of traditional decanting. It's the kind of detail guests notice right away. Controlled dispensing also reduces spills and keeps servings consistent, making hosting feel more polished and effortless. Most units are priced between $40 and $70. And finally, the home glassware polisher brings a professional finishing touch to everyday glass cleaning. Rotating microfiber heads dry and polish simultaneously, leaving glasses streak-free without manual effort. It's especially useful if you entertain often. Compact enough for countertops, yet powerful enough for repeated use. Expect this specialty tool to range from $100 to $200. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clever home solutions. And as always, you'll find every link right down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.